Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem in your computer. So how you're going to fix it, just simply come over into your Windows icon or start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for the settings. After that, you just need to come over into privacy and security, and after that you just need to enable these Windows permissions and app permissions over here. So first we'll go for the general section and going to turn off all these three. This is not mandatory, that's why we're going to enable it. Then go for the speech, going to turn it off. Then you just need to go for linking and typing personalization, going to turn it off. And then go for back to the setting, go for the diagnostic feedback, turn it off. Go for activity history, going to turn it off. And then we'll go for the search permissions. So we're going to give it as a moderate option because it's in safe search option. So that's why you cannot, you don't have to be good to turn it off. You just simply select it as a moderate. And to the cloud content search, we're going to turn them off. And then go back to the setting, go for the search windows and turn it off. After that, we'll come over into the app permission. If you don't need for individual apps to locate the location service, then simply turn it off. If you're not using the camera setting, then simply turn it off. And now if you're using the Microsoft setting or the microphone setting, then you just need to leave it as it is. So I'm going to leave it as turned on. We'll just go for the voice activation. We're going to turn it off. And then we will go for the notifications, turn them off. Scroll down a little bit. If you don't using these account info, turn them off. And now we're going for the contacts. I'm not using it, that's why I'm going to turn it off. If you go for the phone calendars, we're going to turn them off. Going for the phone calls, turn them off. I'm not using the phone call into my Windows, that's why I'm going to turn it off. Then going for the call history, turn them off. And then go for the email. If you're not using the pre-made default email for your computer, then simply turn them off. That's not an issue. And then go for the e-task, turn them off. Then go for the messaging options, turn them off. Then you just need to go for the radios. We're going to turn them off as well because we are not using it. Then go for other devices, going to turn them off. And if you want to change any of these files, you can simply turn them off. After that, what you can do, just go for the personalization and then go for the color section. If you don't want the transparency effects for your computer, then you can simply turn them off. As you can see, when you're using the transparency effect, you can see there is some effect is showing over here. When you turn them off, it will never be appears into your computer, and it will help you to boost your performance in slagging or slowing down the Windows 11. It will boost up and it will make you faster computer experience. So we're going to turn them off, and then we will go for the search option over here. I'm going to search for sysdm.cpl. Then click enter to open the system properties. Going for the advanced section, going for the performance setting, and from here you just need to select adjust for best performance, click apply and OK. To go for your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for your task manager. After that, coming over section over here, then you can simply go for the startup apps, and from here you can simply disable those apps that are not needed and those are using only. So I'm going to turn them off. This SS scheduler, going to disable it, and some YouTube web that's are not needed, so I'm going to disable them. And that's it. This will fix your problem for Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.